Beautiful large one-bedroom L-shaped living room in a Doorman building in Forest Hills. This is entrance. On the right is a closet. It's two closets. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. The kitchen has a dining area. Huge living room. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. Comes with a dishwasher. More cabinets. Corner space. Windows in the kitchen. The linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Huge bedroom. It's got 3 windows. Got 2 big closets, one here. Another one here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, lounge in the building, Doorman building. 2 blocks from the express train. Near the E train and F train on 71st Continental, Queens Boulevard and Yellowstone Boulevard. Also near the M&R train, also near the LIR train, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops, a few blocks from the famous Austin Street. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. And please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.